Welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to delete browsing data in Firefox Nightly on your mobile device. This is important if you want to free up space, improve performance, or protect your privacy. You will know exactly how. First, open the Firefox Nightly browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three-dot menu icon. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down within Settings until you find the Delete Browsing Data option and tap on it. Next, choose the types of data you want to delete, such as browsing history, cookies, or cached files. Then, tap on Delete Browsing Data and confirm your choice by clicking Delete again. Finally, your selected browsing data will be removed from Firefox Nightly, improving your browsing experience and privacy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.